Good evening, America. If you think that was easy, it wasn't.
If tomorrow all the things were gone, I'd work for all my life, and I had to start again. Just my children and my wife. Thank my lucky stars to be living here today, because our flag still stands for freedom, and they can't take that away. American, where at least I know I'm free, and I won't forget the men who died, who gave that right to me, and I gladly stand up next to you and defend her still today, 'cause there ain't no doubt I love this land. God bless the USA.
Thank everybody, because they did the right thing. They saw lightning, and I said, there's no way, if we have to speak in front of one person at 4 o'clock in the morning, I'm going to be here. There's no way we can be prepared. And I want to just thank you, and I feel so badly about some people. They left it, they couldn't get back. But you're very special people, and we have a very special country. Thank you very much. Tonight we come together for one of the most joyous and glorious milestones of all time, and you know what that is, 250, the 250th anniversary. And I do have to say this, one of my very brilliant people backstage said, don't worry about it, sir, we can do it maybe next week. I said, it doesn't work next week. This is the big day. We want July 4th, we're not looking for July something else. Because this is the 250th anniversary of the Declaration of Independence. Nothing like it.
No man does it all by himself. I said, young man, what you got